Hello everyone. In the last lecture we studied about continuity and we learned some examples related to continuity. Today we take some other examples related to continuity. A function fx is continuous. We know about the definition of a function fx is continuous if continuous at x equal to a if value of a function at x equal to a and left hand limit और right hand limit अगर ये सभी बराबर हो तभी फंक्शन fx है वो कंटिन्यूस होता है. लेट एग्जांपल 1 इफ fx इक्वल टू sin a plus 1x plus 2 sin x divided by x less than 0 equal to 2 when x equal to 0 and 1 plus bx minus 1 divided by x greater than 0. fx is continuous at x equal to 0 यानी फंक्शन fx है x बराबर 0 पर कंटिन्यूस है. अब फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b, हमें a एंड b की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. First we take value of function at x equal to 0 यानी f0 equal to 2. This is given 2. Now find left hand limit. For left hand limit h tend to 0 f0 minus h. For this we take function sin a plus 1x plus 2 sin x divided by x. Since for x less than 0 this function is given. Then we write sin a plus 1 x यानी 0 minus h plus 2 sin 0 minus h divided by 0 minus h. Then you get limit h tend to 0 sin a plus 1 यानी minus a plus 1 into h plus 2 sin minus h divided by minus h. We know that sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Therefore we get limit h tend to 0 minus sin a plus 1 h divided by minus h plus minus 2 sin h divided by minus h. हमने इसको अलग अलग लिख दिया है. यानी हमने फार्मूला क्या यूज किया है, sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Thus we get limit h tend to 0 minus cancel by minus multiply by a plus 1 in numerator and denominator sin a plus 1 divide by a plus 1 h. Then limit is 1. There is no a plus 1. A plus 1 is multiplied by denominator and numerator. Similarly minus cancel by minus, then 2 sin h upon h. Thus we get limit h tend to 0 a plus 1 divided by a plus 1 h sin theta upon theta. This limit is 1 into a plus 1 plus 2 into sin h upon h. Limit is 1. 2 into 1. Thus we get a plus 1 plus 2 equal to a plus 3. Therefore left hand limit is a plus 3. Now we find right hand limit. For right hand limit, let limit h tend to 0 f0 plus h. For this function for x greater than 0 is 1 plus bx minus 1 divided by x. Therefore limit h tend to 0 1 plus b 0 plus h root minus 1 divided by 0 plus h. Thus we get limit h tend to 0 1 plus bh root 1 plus bh minus 1 divided by h multiply by 1 plus root bh plus 1 numerator and denominator both 1 plus bh root प्लस 1. न्यूमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 1 प्लस बी एच रूट प्लस 1 प्लस बी एच रूट प्लस 1. दस वी गेट लिमिट एच टेंड टू 0. देन यूजिंग फार्मूला a माइनस बी a प्लस बी वी गेट 1 प्लस बी एच रूट का होल स्क्वायर तो 1 प्लस बी एच होगा माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाय h एंड 1 प्लस बी एच रूट प्लस 1 कैंसिल बाय 1. Thus we get limit h tend to 0 bh divided by h. H is cancelled by h. In denominator 1 plus bh root plus 1. Now put h equal to 0, we get b अपॉन 1 प्लस 0 का रूट, यानी 1 प्लस 0 का रूट 1 का रूट 1, 1 प्लस 1 2, दैट वी गेट राइट हैंड साइड इज b अपॉन 2. now fx is continuous, at x equal to 0, continuous at x equal to 0, therefore f0 equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit. Then we can say a plus 3 equal to 2, a plus 3 equal to f0 equal to 2, 2 equal to a plus 3 equal to b upon 2. Then we get value of a plus 3 equal to 2, then a equal to 2 minus 3, value of a equal to minus 1, and b upon 2 equal to 2, therefore value of b equal to 4. Thus we get value of b equal to 4 and value of a equal to minus 1. तो देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या किया है, सबसे पहले हमने f0 की वैल्यू 2 गिवन है उसका यूज किया, फिर लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट हमने निकाली a प्लस 3, देन वी फाइंड राइट हैंड लिमिट b अपॉन 2. बट fx इज कंटिन्यूअस एट x इक्वल टू 0, देयरफॉर f0 इक्वल टू लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट, देन वी गेट वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b, a इक्वल टू -1 एंड b इक्वल टू 4. प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल. Now we take example number 2 for today. Find the values of p and q for which fx equal to 1 minus sin cube x divided by cos square x for x less than pi by 2, p if x equal to pi by 2, and q into 1 minus sin x divided by pi minus 2x whole square if x greater than pi by 2 is continuous at x equal to, यानी ये फंक्शन fx है कंटिन्यूस है इस कंडीशन में, तो हमें वैल्यू है p एंड q की जो वैल्यू है वो हमें फाइंड करनी है. वैल्यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p एंड q, हमें p एंड q की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. गिवन क्या है, f पाई बाई 2, f पाई बाई 2 इसकी वैल्यू जो है हमारे पास p है. अब नाउ वी फाइंड LHS साइड, LHL लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट हम लिखेंगे लिमिट h टेंड टू 0 f पाई बाई 2 माइनस h, f पाई बाई 2 माइनस h, देन limit h tend to 0 for the left hand side we use the function 1 minus sin cube x divided by cos square x. Thus we write 1 minus sin cube pi by 2 minus h divided by cos square pi by 2 minus h. Thus limit h tend to 0, 1 minus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. We can write 1 minus cos cube h, 1 minus cos cube h divided by sin square h, divided by sin square h. Cos 90 minus theta होता है sin theta. Therefore we use formula aq minus bq. Limit h tend to 0, 1 minus cos h, 1 plus cos square h plus cos h into 1, यानी cos h हो जाएगा divided by sin square x. We know that formula of aq minus bq which a minus b 1 a square plus b square plus cos h, a square यानी 1 का स्क्वायर, b square यानी cos h का स्क्वायर प्लस a into b यानी 1 into cos h, and there is 1 minus cos h. Now we can write limit h tend to 0. Formula for 1 minus cos h, half angle formula 2 sin square h by 2 divided by sin square h and multiply 1 plus cos square h plus cos h. Now there is angle sin h by 2 and there is sin square h. We can write limit h tend to 0, 2 is constant, sin square h divide by h square, यानी h square का हम मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में, then sin square h by 2 angle, there is h square. H square is numerator and h square is denominator. There is sin h by 2. Therefore we write divide by 4, h square divide by 4 and multiply by 4. And in multiply 1 plus cos h plus cos square h plus cos h plus cos h. Now by putting the limit we get left hand limit equal to, there is 2 into sin h upon h square लिमिट 1, sin h अपॉन h अपॉन sin h की लिमिट भी 1 होती है, sin h अपॉन h की लिमिट भी 1 होती है, तो h अपॉन sin h होल स्क्वायर यानी 1 का स्क्वायर हो गया इसकी लिमिट, एंड sin स्क्वायर h/2 डिवाइड बाय h/2 का होल स्क्वायर, sin h/2 डिवाइड बाय h/2 का होल स्क्वायर, इसकी लिमिट भी 1 का स्क्वायर हो गया, एंड डिवाइड बाय 4 इज कांस्टेंट, h square by 4 this is using, and 4 is remaining, therefore in the denominator we write 4, 1 plus cos square h यानी 1 plus cos h, cos 0 की वैल्यू 1 होती है तो 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस cos 0 की वैल्यू 1, cos h यानी ये भी cos 0 हो गया, thus we get 2 into 3 divide by 4, 2 into 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 ये 3 हो गया, thus we get 2 is cancelled by for 2, therefore left hand limit is 3/2, thus we get left hand limit is 3/2. Now we find right hand limit. Now we find right hand limit. For the right hand limit, limit h tend to 0 f pi/2 plus h, f pi/2 plus h. For the right hand limit we use the function limit h tend to 0 q into 1 minus sin h, q into 1 minus sin pi/2 plus h divide by pi minus 2 into pi/2 plus h and whole square. Thus we get limit h tend to 0 q into 1 minus sin 90 plus theta, this is cos theta, for 90 trigonometric ratio is change, and in the second quadrant sign is positive, therefore we can write cos h and divide by pi minus 2 into pi/2, then pi and minus 2h whole square, that we get limit h tend to 0 q into 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos h is 2 sin square h/2, 2 sin square h/2 minus 2h whole square यानी 4h square, that we get limit h tend to 0 sin square h/2 into h square divide by 4 and multiply by 4, this is also 4, that we get q into 2, there is 2q, q into 2 यानी 2q sin square h/2 divide by 4h square, there is 4h square but we need h square by 4, therefore we write 4 in multiply and 4 in divide, then we get limit h tend to 0 2q upon 16 यानी q by 8, 2 is cancelled by 4, there is q by 8 and sin h/2 divide by h/2 whole square, this limit is 1, therefore you get q by 8 into a 1, then we get q by 8, right hand limit is q by 8. Now we have to find the value of p and q. Function fx is continuous, given that function fx is continuous at x equal to pi/2, therefore we put the values of left hand limit, right hand limit, and at x equal to pi/2, value of function at x equal to pi/2 equal. In this question, function fx equal to 1 minus sin cube x divided by 3 cos square x. Please write there is denominator 3 cos square x, then there is 3 cos square x, there is 3 sin square x, there is 3 and there is also 3 and there is 2 by 3, then we can write 2 divided by 3 and 3 is cancelled by 3 and we get the left hand limit is 1/2. Thus for this in this question the value of function at x equal to pi/2 is p and left hand limit is 1/2 and right hand limit is q/2, but function fx is continuous. fx is continuous at x equal to pi/2, at x equal to pi/2, therefore left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to f pi/2. We can write left hand limit is 1/2, right hand limit is q/8 and value at x equal to pi by 2 is p. Therefore we get value of p equal to 1 by 2 and value of q equal to 4. Value of p equal to 1 by 2 and value of q equal to 4. Please note down this. This is very important question. Now we take example number 3. Example number 3 is for what value of k fx is continuous at x equal to 0. यानी फंक्शन fx x बराबर 0 पर कंटिन्यूस है, हमें वैल्यू है वो k की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. f0 इक्वल टू k, गिवन f0 इक्वल टू k, फर्स्ट वी फाइंड लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट. लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट h टेंड टू 0 f0 माइनस h. वी कैन राइट लिमिट h टेंड टू 0 sin 5 0 minus h divide by 3 into 0 minus h plus cos 0 minus h. We can write limit h tend to 0 sin minus 5h, sin minus 5h divide by minus 3h plus cos minus h. We know that sin minus theta is minus sin theta, therefore limit h tend to 0 minus sin 5h divided by 3h, cos minus theta is cos h, cos minus theta is cos theta, therefore this is cos h. Minus is cancelled by minus, limit h tend to 0, there is sin 5h, therefore we have to multiply 5 by 5 numerator and denominator. Multiply by 5 numerator and denominator, there is also 3 plus cos h, that limit h tend to 0, we write 5 in numerator and also in denominator, that sin 5h divided by 5h, and there is 5 by 3 limit h tend to 0 sin 5h divided by 5h. Value of sin theta upon theta, limit h tend to 0 is 1 and plus there is 5 is here, 5 cos 0 yani cos h, value of cos 0 is 1, thus we get limit h tend to 0 sin 5h divided by 5h, there is 1 by 3, there is 1 by 3. Sin 5h divided by 3h, multiply by 5 there and multiply by 5 here, we get 5 by 3 plus 1, therefore we get 5 by 3 plus 1 equal to 8 by 3, and for the right hand limit h tend to 0, f0 plus h, we can write limit h tend to 0 sin 5 0 plus h divided by 3 into 0 plus h plus cos 0 plus h. Then we find limit h tend to 0 sin 5h divided by h into 3, multiply by 5 numerator and denominator plus cos h. Then if you get limit sin 5h divided by 5h is 1 into 5 by 3 plus 1 equal to 8 by 3. Thus left hand limit equal to 8 by 3 and right hand limit is also 8 by 3. But fx is continuous. Fx is continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore left hand limit equal to right hand limit, and f0 equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit, thus we get value of k equal to 8 by 3. Please note down this is very important example. Please note down this is very important example. आज की क्लास हम यहीं ओवर करते हैं. आगे हम कंटिन्यूटी और डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी से रिलेटेड कुछ और क्वेश्चन करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.